Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are studying present tense, so you have to remember the present tense chart. Huwa yansuru, huma yansurani, hum yansuruna, hiya tansuru, huma tansurani, hunna yansurna, anta tansuru, antuma tansurani, antum tansuruna, anti tansurina, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurna, ana ansuru, nahnu nansuru. So you need to memorize these. There are not much to memorize, but these are the ones you have to memorize. So there is no way without memorizing you are going forward in this Arabic class. So you have to memorize this. It's very easy. If you tell 10 times looking at this, it will come to your head, inshallah, and make dua. Without help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we cannot study any of subjects, especially Quran. A small tip I want to introduce here, that is, like we learn yansuru, sometimes some fihl are starting not ya sound, it is starting from u sound. Like, say example, yuallimu. Yuallimu meaning is he teaches. Yuallimu meaning is he teaches. Yansuru is he helps. So allama mean teaching. So yuallimu mean he teaches. Sometimes you will see ya and starting sound is ya, yansuru, and ending sound is u, ya and u sound. That means it is huwa version. Similarly, some fihl start with u sound, ending also with u sound, like yuallimu. So u and u sound, but the starting letter ya will not change. Only the fataha become kasara. That's the only difference, but the meaning is the same. So you need to understand, if a word fihl start with ya or you, that can be a huwa version. Okay, ya or you, it can be huwa version if you ending with u sound. Okay, what is the second one? Second tips is, if a word is ya starting from ya or u and ending with ani sound, like yansurani, yuallimani, that mean that is a huma version. Ani, ending with ani, and starting is the same. So actually it is multiplying by 2. Ani will multiply huwa by 2. Huwa is masculine 1. Ani make it 2. 2 huwa actually. So yansurani or yuallimani, that can have, that starting sound can have both variation, that ya and you both, but ending sound will not change, ani. And the same way, if you see ya and you starting and ending as a una, like yansuruna or yuallimuna, that mean they. That is like whom, who have become multiple, that become whom. So how to translate yansuruna? They help. And yuallimuna, they teach. Okay, so u and ya or you sound with una. The same way, ya and you sound with unna. That is, can you remember ya, ta, ya? So ya, the last ya is going back to hunna. That's why yan surna. Yan surna is they feminine. Hunna yan surna, right? Hunna yan surna. So it becomes ya and una. It difficult to translate. Like you are limna or yan surna, urna, una. That kind of sound. So with the sukun and ending will give you the they feminine. Then the all others are mainly ta versions. Ta or tu, both can. Tuallimu or tansuru or tuallimu. So starting with ta or tu, ending with u sound. That will give you ya versus ya or you, u sound ending will give you huwa. Ta or tu, u sounding end will give here. Also anta, I told you the both are look same. So ta or tu, ending sound is u. Ending sound, see, you tansuru or yuallimu. Starting sound is changing, like ta or tu, but ending sound is same. Tansuru u sound, tuallimu u sound. So ta or tu beginning and ending is u sound. That is giving you here or anta. Both are there. If you go back to chart, you will see this. Okay. because anta version and here version looks the same. And the next tip is like ta or tu and ani will give you huma or antuma. The male version, female version is looks the same as well, like tansurani or tuallimani. It can refer to huma or antuma. Both are look same. And the other one is also easy, that is ta or tu with una sound. That will only give you antum version of it. Okay, ta or tu with una sound. And the next one is ta or tu with ina sound, that will give you anti version, anti tansurina or anti tuallimina. So ta or tu with ina sound, and ta or tu with that the same una sound, that tansurna tuallimna sukun and na sound ending will give you antunna, right? Will give you antunna. Ta and tu una sound. So ya and you una sound will give you hunna. Ta and tu una, that sukun and na sound will give you uh, antunna version. That is you all feminine. Last two are very easy. Ananahnu. Ananahnu is if it is starting from alif, it is ana, and if it is starting from noon, that is nahnu. So it can be ansuru or uallimu, because a or u sound, as well as nansuru or nuallimu, na or nu sound. So I'll give you a daily use example, that is A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. So we'll see A'udhu. That is this ansuru. It's like ansuru. A'udhu is like ansuru. A'udhu. See, ending with u sound and starting with alif sound. That means it is I. That means I. Ansuru is I help. Right? A'udhu mean should be start, whatever the meaning, it should start with I. So what is the A'udhu mean? Seek refuge. Avada mean seek refuge. So A'udhu mean I seek refuge. A'udhu billahi, in Allah, mina shaitani rajim, from shaitan rajim, the outcast. Rajim mean rajama mean outcast. So we'll learn this in detail, but what you are understanding, A'udhu is a fihl, that is A'udhu is a present tense fihl, I seek refuge. Uh, and how to recognize it as a present tense fihl, because of alif, starting from the alif and ending with u. That kind of pattern will give you it is a present tense fihl. Like ansuru, it is A'udhu. Hope this is clear. These are few tips. So this has to be will go in hand with the previous lesson, that the huwa yansuru chart. I will tell one more time. Huwa yansuru, the fihl present tense chart. Huwa yansuru, huma yansurani, hum yansuruna. Here tansuru, huma tansurani, hunna yansurna. Anta tansuru, antuma tansurani, antum tansuruna. Anti tansurina, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurna. Ana ansuru, nahnu nansuru. I will use the same for the allama. Allama means teach. So huwa yuallimu, huma yuallimani, hum yuallimuna. Here tuallimu, huma tuallimani, hunna yuallimna. Anta tuallimu, antuma tuallimani, antum tuallimuna. Anti tuallimina, antuma tuallimani, antunna tuallimna. Ana uallimu, nahnu nuallimu. So if you know, if you take any field, present tense field, you can put into this pattern. I will take this auzu. I'll go back to huwa version and I will do that auzu chart as well. So ana auzu mean, then huwa is huwa yauzu, huma yauzani, hum yauzuna. Hiya tauzu, huma tauzani, hunna yauzna. Anta tauzu, antuma tauzani, antum tauzuna. Anti tauzina, antuma tauzani, antunna tauzna. Ana auzu, that is what auzu billahi min shaitan rahim. Nahnu nauzu. You might have also heard the word nauzu billah. So we seek protection from shaitan. Sorry, we seek protection in Allah. Nauzu billah. So auzu is I seek protection. Nauzu, we seek protection. We both, these both words we frequently use. I'll do one more example from the Surah Fatiha. Iyyaka na'budu. Okay, so na'budu, actually the huwa version is yaghbudu. Huwa yaghbudu, huma yaghbudani, hum yaghbuduna. Yaghbudu mean he worships. Yaghbuduna mean they worships. Hum hiya ta'budu, that means she worship. Huma ta'budani, hunna yaghbudna. Anta ta'budu, antuma ta'budani, antum ta'buduna, anti ta'budina, antuma ta'budani, antunna ta'budna, ana a'budu. A'budu mean I worship. Nahnu na'budu, that mean we worship. That was iyyaka na'budu. Nahnu na'budu. Iyyaka na'budu mean we worship. The other meaning we will learn later. So in Surah Fatiha we will see a present tense as well. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Nasta'in. Actually, nasta'inu. So you go to Fatiha and see it is not, if we say nasta'in, actually it's nasta'inu. That means na and u sound. Nasta'inu. That means asking help. So who's asking help? We ask help. We ask help because it is na and u sound. That means we. So it's very important lesson, very interesting lesson, and also easy lesson. Lesson if you study properly, inshallah. So listen to this voice record few times, then you will understand how this fihl present tense work, inshallah. And make dua to give you a better understanding of Quran, to learn, practice, and spread across the world, inshallah. Amen.